Beneath the shimmering blue waters of the Philippine archipelago lies one of the greatest natural treasures on Earth, an underwater world teeming with life, diversity, and beauty. At the heart of the Coral Triangle, the Philippines is recognized as the global epicenter of marine biodiversity. With over 500 species of coral and more than 2,000 species of reef fish, it's a living museum of the ocean. From the iconic clownfish hiding among sea anemones, to the mesmerizing colors of nudibranchs, to the elusive pygmy seahorse clinging to Gorgonian corals, each species plays a vital role in maintaining this complex ecosystem. But this richness has also attracted global attention, not just from scientists and divers, but from the global aquarium trade. For decades, many of these species were taken from reefs and exported worldwide. In the past, unsustainable and destructive practices like cyanide fishing threatened the very habitats that made the Philippines unique. Today, the tide is turning. Communities, scientists, and the government are working together to promote sustainable harvesting, marine sanctuaries, and reef restoration. Education and awareness are rising, and captive breeding programs are reducing the need for wild collection. We want the world to enjoy these species, but we also want future generations to see them where they belong, in the wild. The Philippines' marine biodiversity is not just a national treasure, it's a global responsibility. By protecting it, we protect the future of our oceans. Be a guardian of the deep. Support sustainable practices. Support conservation. Let life beneath the waves thrive for generations to come.